Hey guys, I am Marshall Sparkman, former captain in the United States Air Force, and as an aircraft maintenance officer, my job was to make sure that my soldiers were crystal clear on the mission and to make sure that the aircraft stayed in the sky safely. And we lived and died by checklist. So as a mortgage loan officer specializing in VA loans and doing all mortgage loans out there, I find it my responsibility to kind of, because I'm a dork like that, to create this checklist. And I go over this with every single client. I've been using it for years and I've refined it over time, but it's a 30-point checklist of questions that I like to ask every single one of my clients. And I always start out with, talk to me about your short-term financial goals. What are your long-term financial goals? Any loan officer, in my opinion, that's transactional is not asking those questions. They don't care to dive deep. And I don't know how you could possibly help someone, guide someone along a financial decision, like the largest decision they're ever going to make in their life, without knowing their goals and what their dreams are and what their aspirations are, and really being able to guide them along the process. Several years back, I went through a process to get my certified mortgage advisor certificate, and it was a lot of work, but I'm really glad that I did it because it helps me talk to my clients in a mindset from an advisory role. So, my friends and everybody that trusts me, my clients, people that do business with me, they come to me because they value my opinion and they want my advice on their situation. So I think you have to be very intentional about what you're doing. So any loan officers that want a copy of this, hit me up. I'll gladly share this with anybody because I feel like it's our responsibility to educate people. Any real estate agents, if you are looking for someone that's going to make sure they're diving deep into your clients and make sure that you're making the right decision for them, in every aspect of life financially, it all boils down to the mortgage. The mortgage is the foundation. So we've got to have this foundation set right properly so that you can make better financial decisions in the future. So I'm going to help make sure that you've got a firm financial foundation set with this 30-point checklist here. So listen, if you're looking to buy a house or you're needing mortgage advice, you need to refinance, maybe you need to pull some cash out or whatever your situation is, I want you to reach out to me. There's a million different ways to reach out to me. Preferably get on my calendar and let's schedule a time. You can click the links here below in my bio in the description, and I look forward to spending some time with you and learning your situation.